Dear learners, welcome to the class of Cost of Production. Learning objectives are, we are going to learn about fixed cost and variable cost. At the end of the class, the student would have an understanding of various costs and will be able to calculate different costs. Cost of production is the cost of making or acquiring goods or services, and this is directly related to generating revenue for the firm. In the short run, we can classify cost into fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed cost remains fixed and does not change with the output, whereas variable cost varies directly with the output. Let us have a look at different types of costs at different levels of output. In this case, we are increasing the output from 0 to 1 to 3 till 7. Total fixed cost is not changing at any level of the output, it remains fixed. Total variable cost increases as the output increases. It goes on increasing as it is directly related to output. Total cost also increases and it goes on increasing as the output increases. Average fixed cost, it goes on diminishing and it never becomes zero. Average variable cost decreases initially and then it starts to increase as the output increases. Average cost also decreases initially and then it starts to increase. Marginal cost initially decreases and then increases at an increasing rate. The curves of these costs look like this. Average fixed cost goes on diminishing as the output increases, but it never becomes zero. Marginal cost initially decreases and then it goes on increasing at an increasing rate. Average fixed cost decreases initially and then it increases. Average total cost also decreases initially and then it increases. Let us talk about different types of cost in detail. Total cost is the total cost incurred in producing any good or service. We can describe total cost as summation of total fixed cost and total variable cost. Remember, in the short run, total fixed cost remains fixed at all levels of output and total variable cost varies with the output. Based upon this, we can say that total fixed cost or total cost is a function of quantity produced. Total cost is equal to F into Q. That means total cost is a function of quantity produced. Total fixed cost is the total of the fixed cost. It can be arrived by subtracting total variable cost from total cost. Alternatively, total fixed cost can be arrived by multiplying average fixed cost with the quantity produced. Total variable cost. Total variable cost can be arrived at subtracting total fixed cost from total cost, alternatively by multiplying average variable cost with the quantity produced. Average fixed cost is the average of the total fixed cost. Average cost can be arrived by dividing total fixed cost by the quantity produced. Alternatively, average fixed cost is equal to average cost minus average variable cost. Average cost, which is also known as average total cost, is the total cost divided by the total units of output. Average cost is equal to the summation of average of fixed cost and average variable cost. Alternatively, we can arrive at average cost by dividing total cost with the quantity produced. Average variable cost can be arrived at subtracting average fixed cost from average cost, or alternatively, we can come at average variable cost by dividing total variable cost by the quantity produced. Marginal cost is the cost of producing one additional unit of output. Marginal cost of nth unit is equal to total cost of nth unit minus total cost of nth minus 1 unit. Thank you.